And a good Wednesday to you. I'm meteorologist Cindy Fitzgibbon. We've got a flood watch up through Friday morning here in southeastern Massachusetts, expecting 3 to 6 inches of rain with some locally higher amounts possible here through Friday. You can see we're just starting to bring that rain in now, and over the course of the day, this is going to be shifting to the north and west and expanding. So have your wet weather gear with you today. Rain is just one thing we're going to be watching with this storm system, and here's a closer look at how much I expect. 3 to 6 inches in southeastern Massachusetts, yes, but even 1 to 3 inches of rain in the Boston area, back into Worcester, up through the North Shore and the Merrimack Valley. Once you get north and west of here, the amounts are going to taper off pretty sharply, and we should see under an inch the farther north and west that you go. But pretty big rain potential with this storm system, but also strong winds, coastal flooding concerns, and we could see some power outages, especially where we have the strongest winds, as we still have a lot of leaves in the trees in southeastern Massachusetts, and that will create some issues down that way. Just starting to see the winds pick up out of the northeast. We are gusting over 20 and 30 miles per hour down on the islands, and there is a high wind warning here on the Cape and the islands, but also a wind advisory here along the coast of the South Shore. This is where we could see some wind gusts up to 50 miles per hour. That may extend up toward Cape Ann as well, but gusts 50 to 60 miles per hour possible on the Cape and the islands, and this is through Friday. I think the winds are going to peak during the day and evening on Thursday, and then they will slowly start to back off here on Friday. But we've got wind and rain on the way. It really is a function of this storm way down here in the ocean. It is in the process of strengthening now and trying to move closer to us, but it's going to run into this area of high pressure, which is going to block it from moving northward, and it's going to force it to sit and spin in the same area, throwing periods of rain and those strong winds in our direction. And so you can see how the rain kind of fills in over the course of the day. This is noontime. Rain sneaking up into the Boston area, and then during the afternoon it fills in, may reach all the way up into southern New Hampshire and back into northern Worcester County by this evening, and the rain will continue on into tonight as well. So have the wet weather gear with you. You can see we're talking about temperatures stuck in the 50s with that raw northeasterly wind, sustained winds up around 20 miles per hour with that sideways rain. Real raw afternoon temperatures no higher than the 50s. Tonight, the rain, the wind, it continues. Could be some areas of fog. We're down in the 40s and 50s tonight for overnight lows, and tomorrow certainly an impact weather day. Periods of rain. It's going to be windier than today and just a real raw feel with that northeasterly wind. Once again, temperatures stuck only in the 50s. So here's a look at the wind and the rain coming up on Thursday. And 9 o'clock in the morning, most of us dealing with the rain. Strongest winds gusting 40 to 50 miles per hour here down on the Cape, but perhaps gusting to 60 down on the islands as we get deeper into the day on Thursday. And Thursday evening, we're going to be watching that high tide. Astronomically, the tides are actually running low, but we're talking about the wave action on top of a 1 to 2 foot storm surge, and that could lead to some minor coastal flooding. But here on Nantucket, the surge is a little bit higher, and the potential is there for some pockets of moderate coastal flooding. So there is a coastal flood watch up for that region. The waves coming in on top of that surge could be up about 10 to 20 feet. So we're talking about some concerns here with that tide. Now, Friday, the rain is still going to be heavy in the morning, but it may lighten up a little bit as we get into the afternoon, and that trend continues even more on Saturday. Our storm is going to start to weaken and will start shifting away on Saturday. This front will kick it out Saturday night, so we're actually going to get the sun back on Sunday. Improvements coming on Sunday with some sunshine, and look at that on Columbus Day. Looks good with some sunshine and temperatures back near 70.